Hi friends, this is Ratnakar Ayachit, your Hindi tutor in live class. I have few queries of my students that I want to share with you all. Actually, few students asked few questions regarding the process of Hindi teaching. That's their curiosity. So I just want to share with you all and the questions of those students, and I'll give the answer also. Like, first question they ask, how you will be proceeding, or what will be your process of Hindi teaching, or you say ki how you will teach in an easy way. So I want to say one thing. See, there are different kind of person, use different ways of teaching. Everybody is having their own vision. What I think, yes, in my view, when someone starts learning a new language, so first requirement is vocabulary. From where you will get vocabulary? First of all, just search whatever the things are surrounding you. Right? Like you are wearing pant, shirt, you're wearing suit, shoes, socks, you have pen in your pocket, cap on your head, table, chair, so many things you have around you are surrounded with, right? So start getting meanings, Hindi meanings of those things which you have surrounding you. Your daily use equipments, accessories, whatever you have surrounding you, you can just start getting Hindi meaning of those things, like table, chair, book, notebook, pen, pencil, your dress material. In better you go to your kitchen. The good thing is go to your kitchen and collect all the things and just try to get the Hindi meaning of those, like there are utensils, gas, pressure cooker, everything is there. So everything is having Hindi meaning or Hindi word for that. So you can just search ki the pressure cooker, what we say in Hindi, gas, burner, what do you mean by burner? So what is Hindi word of burner? So when you start getting meanings of various words and things, you will be more curious to know few more things and how to pronounce the meaning, right? So this is the way, and what I am doing same thing. In my video, when you'll see, I started with the things we use daily basis, like we use brush, we use paste, we use bucket, mug, whatever we use these all are having their specific Hindi word. So you just, when you will come to know the meaning of those items, Hindi word or meaning, so then you will be confident and your queries will be fulfilled. Then you will start the formation of sentences. So when you are coming with me in a class, we will start with word meaning, right? Word meaning, and you will see in my videos, when you will join my videos or you will see my videos, all useful things are there, Hindi English words, right? Like chair, table, lamp, scissor, whatever we use in our daily life, every meaning is there. Like we talked about domestic animal, so what we say, cow, guy, buffalo, bhains, rabbit, khargosh, like this. So you will get Hindi words of almost every required word. So this will be the process when, see, when you start learning any language, whichever language you want to learn, you have to start with this process only. See, I am a Maharashtrian guy. We used to speak Hindi in India. Almost in every part of India, people speak Hindi, right? So, my mother tongue is Marathi. It is not necessary that I am Marathi, so I can read and write Marathi very properly. Because my education medium is Hindi or English, right? So when I am studying in Hindi medium, so definitely I'll go through with all course in Hindi version. Or if I am in English medium, so everything will be in English. But what about Marathi? It's my mother tongue. I can speak Marathi, but I cannot read and write Marathi unless until I go through with the literature or knowledge of Marathi. I am having knowledge of Marathi, but I am not having very proper knowledge of writing and reading. But gradually I started learning, and now I am also writing or reading Marathi. I knew Bengali also, but in Bengali, if you ask about alphabets or numbers, I can speak only. I can speak Bengali only. I cannot read or write Bengali. So when you start speaking, there is no need to go with depth knowledge of grammar. Depth knowledge of grammar. Because you are not going to read and write. You just want to learn spoken Hindi. You want to communicate with the people, those who are not good in English or they are not understanding your words. So you just communicate in their language. So you need those words, or you need to speak Hindi. You don't go for reading and writing. That is different thing. When you learn in that manner, yes, I am good in Hindi speaking, now I will start learning alphabets or grammar and all. So we will go through with specific literature learning. That is different thing. But when you just want to communicate yourself with other people in Hindi, that is needed the practice of conversion actually. How you converse with the people. And for that, you don't need the knowledge of grammar and alphabets and all. So first, what I focus in my teaching, I'll give you the meaning of various words which are used in daily or common conversation, and then the process of teaching. People ask me, process of teaching. The process of teaching is very simple. I'll give you the words, I will give you the meaning, Hindi meaning. It means English word converted into Hindi, their pronunciation. Then after, if you have any problem or query, you can contact me, or you have any doubt, you can contact us in Facebook page, WhatsApp group. There are various platforms wherein we can be helpful for you, and you can ask. If you don't want to ask in groups, you can separately also call us. You are having every facility. You will go through with our link, you will get everything. If you want to make a call, you will be having our numbers. If you want to come with us in page, Facebook page, there will be you will be getting everything. And WhatsApp group, we are there. So this is the process actually, and we are taking one-on-one video class also. So there are so many platforms wherein you can clear your doubts or fulfill your queries. And don't worry, we are available every time. Right? We are there to help you out. So there is no need to worry about अब इसको कैसे करेंगे, how will learn and how will start. Actually we are starting from we are starting from zero. We are starting from zero. Everybody is same. Nobody is literal. Everybody is starting their learning. So there should be no hesitation about your knowledge of Hindi. Everybody is same in my class. So you all will be good in Hindi after few days when you will be in practice, and you will be having the classes wherein we will discuss all topics and various word meanings. Then only you will be getting things very clearly. So there should be no doubt about learning. It's my responsibility. I will give you the knowledge of Hindi so that you can speak with command actually. So I need your cooperation, your dedication, your hard work. Rest of the things will be there with you. Right? And there is one more question came to me. Do you think books and apps are helpful to learn Hindi or become fluent in Hindi? See, there are so many other things also for learning, books and apps also, but it's a very clear-cut view of mine that without guidance or without specific knowledge. How come a person can learn language by books and apps? Improper knowledge will be provided by the books and apps because they will not clear your doubts or your queries. Here we are with you. After getting video classes, if you are having any problem, any doubt, you can ask, sir, we are having this problem, how to utter this word. Though you are uttering very well, but we are not able to utter, how to utter. So we will give you the idea. So when you start with books and apps, the idea will not be there. You have to learn by your own, and learning by your own, I don't think you will be able to speak very properly, because you have to communicate your views with others. And if you are not good in conversation, so how come you will transform your views to others? Language is a medium of conversation. What we say? Language is a medium of conversation. You are good in English, I am good in Hindi. So, do you think we can converse with each other? You are good in English, but you are not good in Hindi. I am good in Hindi, I am not good in English. So, how come we both will communicate our views to each other? Is it possible? No. So at least we should have little bit knowledge of Hindi or English for communicating with each other. So this communication idea will be provided by your Hindi tutor to you. What we are planning? We are just preparing yourself to communicate with the Hindi speaking person, so that you will go through with that person in very easy way. You can communicate your problem with that person, or that person can also discuss with you whatever problem he or she is having. Right? So language is a medium of conversation. Sometimes what happen, I'll do. I'll do means whom you are saying I'll do. So that person can understand, yes, he is capable, he can do it, and I should not worry about it. When he said I'll do, means he is perfect. In a sentence, you can understand what his vision is. In a sentence, what he said, you can understand what is the vision of this guy, and you become confident. Yes, when he says I'll do means he will do everything. Whatever problem will be there, he will face and he will complete his work. So we should not worry about it. So if you can take this thing in this manner, then only you will be getting everything very soon. So sometimes there is no need to give a lecture to the person. In a 1 or 2 sentence, we can finish our discussion. So this is the process actually. We are just giving you the knowledge of, first of all, we are preparing your vocabulary, Hindi vocabulary, right? And once you get all doubts cleared of your vocabulary, Hindi meaning, then we will start the formation of sentences. Then we will use verb. With structure, we will start using verbs in your sentences, and then everything, adjective, noun, pronoun. Then we'll, in between, we'll give you the knowledge of grammar also. Don't think that we will not give you the knowledge of grammar, because without grammar we cannot teach you the formation. For formation, sentence formation needed the knowledge of grammar. But first, when you get words meaning, then only we will start with sentence formation. Sentence formation means structure of the sentence. What is sentence? What is sentence? Sentence, a group of words which have specific meaning. A group of words which have specific meaning. In Hindi we say वाक्य, sentence वाक्य, शब्दों का समूह जो अपने आप में पूर्ण हो. पूर्ण हो means complete. Sentence, there is big difference between phrase and sentence. Group of words not having complete meaning is phrase. In short, we can converse. It's okay. It's okay. Whatever the question came, our people say, we say it's okay. We just give answer in very short, that is phrase, but it's not give the complete meaning. But you can understand, yes, when he say it's okay, means he have knowledge of everything and he will do it, so there is no way to worry. So, but when you ask about sentence, sentence group of words in proper formation and have a complete meaning. So, this is actually knowledge of grammar. Gradually, when we will increase our learning, we will have these topics also. Grammatical portion will be there and no need to worry. And the day will come when getting knowledge of spoken Hindi, you will be able to read and write also. So, these questions came to me, so I just discussed with you. So, there is no need to worry about the learning Hindi. I promise you, if you are determined to learn Hindi, nobody can stop you to learn. And it's my determination to make at least 100 capable Hindi speaking person out of India. It's my determination. And those 100 people will spread my knowledge to the various countries or various people. Through you, I can spread the knowledge of Hindi to almost each and every corner of the world. So I think all doubts has been cleared, and whatever confusion or doubts occur in your life regarding Hindi learning, you can discuss with me. I am there to solve your problems. Don't hesitate to ask questions, right? Don't get satisfied ki, oh yes, now I am perfect in Hindi, I don't have any doubt. No, everybody is having doubt, and those don't come up with their doubts, they are far behind than intelligent persons, because intelligent persons, what they do, whenever the doubts occurs in their life, they go to the experts and they ask ki, what is the solution of this thing, how it happened. So after getting the answer, they become confident and they start learning fast. This is the process actually. So I hope you will follow my words and be connected with us. We are here to take care, very good care of you and your Hindi language. So take care. Bye bye.